whole day. Rain, rain, tap, 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 dripping from the rooftop cap. Umbrellas open red and blue, yellow boots go splashy too. Puddles form with shiny sheen, mirror-like and nice and clean. Jump, jump, jump with happy feet, splashing water, oh so sweet. Wind goes whoosh through trees so tall, leaves go spin and gently fall. Raindrops sing a soft pit-pat, nature hums a song like that. Rain, rain, slow down please, water's feeding flowers and trees. Little buds wake up to grow, green, green grass says hello. Butterflies wait, safe and dry, snuggled where the raindrops lie. Birds peek out from cozy nests, rainy days mean quiet rest. Thunder rumbles far away, boom, boom, sounds but don't be gray. Lightning flashes quick and bright, like a camera flash of light. Children watch with wide round eyes, holding hands, no fear, no cries. Mama says it's safe inside, Papa smiles right by our side. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little clouds begin to part, blue sky peaks with sunny heart. Sunshine stretches warm and slow, drying puddles down below. Raindrops fade and roll away, making room for sunny play. Up above, what do we see? A rainbow smiling happily. Red and orange, yellow too, green and blue and purple hue. Rainbow arches bright and wide, painting colors in the sky. Children clap and jump with cheer. Rain made rainbows, how fun, dear. After rain the world looks new, sparkly clean with shiny dew. Fresh, fresh air we breathe with glee. Thank you rain and thank you tree. Rain, rain, now goodbye. Wave, wave to the cloudy sky. Sun comes out to shine and stay. Fun and play begin to